is Basel. Based in Ramallah. We have a small animation studio here, but now we are expanding and we are creating a unit, an animation training facility.
In 2022, we established the Almasna Workshop, a space that provides training courses for learning, experimenting through the collective process of animation.
It's very important that we can produce original Palestinian animation. There's no animation programs in all the universities in Palestine. There's very few animators, and we were always asked to give animation workshops.
What we discovered was that there's a great desire and interest, especially in the youth, to be involved in this art form that is in the center of visual culture and a dominating force in media and cinema today.